Mystery pit that breathes, makes sounds, and moves. In Nova Scotia, Canada, there's a bizarre pit that has baffled scientists and locals alike for decades. The Oak Island Mystery Pit is a deep hole in the ground that exhibits strange behavior, such as periodic inhaling and exhaling of air, peculiar noises, and unexplained movements. Many theories have been put forward to explain the pit's odd behavior, including legends of hidden treasure, natural phenomena in underground rivers, and even extraterrestrial activity. Despite rumors and attempts to solve the mystery, the pit remains an enigma, leaving scientists and explorers eager to uncover its secrets.